Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant enabled update easy and quick. First, all you have to do, just click here and go to task manager. You have to make sure that there is no Valorant or Riot games running in your background, so just keep scrolling down until you find it and right click on it and then end task, and keep scrolling down and close all of the tasks that is related to Valorant. And after that, go to control panel, and then you will find here view network status and tasks, and then go to change adapter settings. If you're using internet, just click on your internet adapter. Here is it, right click and then disable it. Wait a few seconds and after that enable it again. And if you are using Wi-Fi, all you have to do, just click here. You will find your Wi-Fi icon that you can turn off your Wi-Fi from. Right click, just click on it and then wait a few seconds and enable it again. Do the same with Ethernet, and then just go back and launch Riot client and then try to update it. You will find that your problem is fixed, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.